Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. Normally, we start with some sort of Remo random fact, and I was thinking and thinking about it, and really I ain't got nothing this week. And so I guess the thing to take away is sometimes, as we're in the flow of things, you get a mental break every so often. So next week I promise to have a random facts story to kind of share. So for now, let's get started. So we want to congratulate our two of our sellers that have recently closed. So Chris, congratulations, sold their condo. The condo actually sold for about 11% higher than the last comp that sold. So 11% more. That's a big, big number. So congratulations to them. And then to Dave, which is one of our past clients, sold a kind of a family's home. Neat sale, and this is something to really share with you guys. It was a private sale with the actual tenant. So the neat thing about that is, it didn't have to come to market. The tenant was interested, and we've helped facilitate that sale. So congratulations to both Chris and Dave on selling your property with our team. We want to let you know about some workshops. We have one this Saturday, home buying workshop. As the market opens up, now open houses, you'll start seeing them pop up. So they're going to be in the market, how that kind of plays in actually viewing homes. So come get informed. Home buyer workshop, it's going to be this Saturday and next Thursday. Are the only two for June. So if you're interested, please sign up. There'll be a link somewhere in this email message. Next, we also have the ADU workshops. If you followed me sometime, I share a lot of stuff on our IG and our Facebook, and I'm a big advocate of ADUs and the fortunes, really the wealth that you can create through them, through increased rental income and really passive income right away. And then fast forward 5 years, 10 years from now, these things are going to be even a greater asset. So if you want to learn about ADUs, all the mistakes that I personally made building these, this is not theory. This is not, I Googled it. This is, me pulling out my wallet and paying for these mistakes all directly from me. And again, these are all my ADUs. So it's not third person or anything like that. So if you're interested, come learn. And then we have, sorry, I'm looking at my notes here. We have the home in Whittier that just recently went into escrow. So congratulations to those sellers. And their offer got accepted on their new home. So contingent sellers, very difficult in this market, still happens though. We sold their home or went in escrow on their smaller home, and they're upgrading to a bigger home, both in the city of Whittier. So if that's something that speaks to you, let us know. We'd love to show you what that looks like. Again, it's not for the faint of heart. This is something that requires a commitment from both sides, you and us. So if you want to learn more, please let us know. And then we have some sales coming up, homes for sale. The parcel in Honolulu Terrace, so it has a great view. You can build your dream home. It has what's called RTI, ready to issue permit. So it took the sellers 3 years to get to this point of getting the plans and everything approved, and all the hearings that you have to go through when you're building that type of home. So if you're interested, we have a condo or townhome, I should say, in La Habra. We have another one in Bellflower, and then we have this beautiful, beautiful Hacienda Heights home. Killer view, a little under 3,000 square feet. That'll be coming on the market, I believe, the first week of July. So if you're interested in any of those homes, and I'm sure we're going to have some more by the next video, please let us know. We'd love the opportunity to kind of give you kind of a sneak peek. With that being said, thank you again for watching. We always value your continued support, your reply back to our emails, your comments. We definitely do appreciate it. Hopefully you realize that we do take it to heart anytime you share anything that we kind of implement. So with that being said, happy week and weekend, and we'll see you guys soon.